Take a bangle, apply glue on it. I have taken green color thread. 30 to 35 strands of thread. Wrap it all over the bangle tightly. I have wrapped all over the bangle. Cut at the end. Apply glue and paste it. Apply glue on 4 sides of the bangle. This is a designer material. Paste it on 4 sides of bangle, one by one. Both sides, paste it. Apply glue around the designer material and paste gold ball chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Second round, apply glue and paste stone chain. White color stone chain. Cut at the end and paste it. Next round, apply glue. Paste gold color stone chain around. Cut at the end and paste it. At the center of designer material, paste a green color stone. Similarly again, apply glue and paste gold ball chain. Next line, stone chain. Next line, gold color stone chain. Cut at the end and paste it. At the center, green color stone. Similarly, I have pasted all the sides. At the center, paste green color stone. First, apply 3 steps and paste half gold pearl one by one. Then 2 steps. Then at last 1. Paste it. Similarly on the other side. First, we are going to paste 3. Then 2, apply glue, then 1, apply glue and paste it. Next round, similarly we are going to paste first 3, 2, then 1. Last, apply glue and paste it. Other side. Last line, paste it. I have pasted all the side. Apply glue in between 2 rounds and paste gold pearl. The bangle is ready now. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.